Dear esteemed viewers and listeners of the National Radio, this is a military display by the Islamic Emirates Air Forces, which also supports ground forces in the ceremonies for the country's freedom from American occupation. Air forces are considered one of the fundamental elements of a country's defense. The Emirate is firmly committed to the strengthening, repair, and development of the Air Force, and over the past 3 years, it has made numerous advancements in this area. And the aircraft have been repaired and made operational.
In the ceremonies in Ainak Coast, the 7th Division has been tasked with addressing some enemies with discipline and utmost respect for the high-ranking officials of the Islamic Emirate. The Islamic believers have shown great honor
استاد فاتجمن هست مي وطن